Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to create video about the organic chemistry O level, and the main topic is about the hydrocarbons. And in hydrocarbons, we do have alkanes and alkene with us. Okay, alkanes and alkenes. Okay, the term hydrocarbon means element or compound which do have only two types of element, like they have only hydrogen and carbon with them. Okay, and these are only alkanes and alkene. Basically, what alkane and alkene are? Alkanes and alkenes are the, you can say, a family of the organic chemistry in a whole organic chemistry. There are more families as well. First of all, we do have alkane, alkene, number one, number second, and number third. We have alcohols with us. Then number four, we have carboxylic acid with us. Okay. Then number five, we have ester with us. This is basically the whole, you can say, family we are going to read about in the organic chemistry of O level. Also, we do have more family as well, but we have 5 of them in our O level syllabus. And inshallah, we're going to learn about the reactions of the appearance of the general formulas and etc. Okay. Now, for alkanes, the general formula for alkanes are CnH2n plus 2. Okay, where for alkenes it is CnH2n. Okay, and it's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, in the organic chemistry, we do have one like meth as far as alkane, so meth and then ane, and for alkene it would be meth then ene. So methane, but there is no methane in alkene, as it has a CnH2n with it, and CnH2n do require a double bond, and in meth there is no double, it is only single. Okay, as we go for number second, it would be eth and ethane and ethene with us as well. Then 3, it would be prop. Then for 4, it will be butane. Then 5, okay, 5 basically, pent. Okay, and etc. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 furthermore. So for the alkane, the general formula is CnH2n plus 2, and for alkene it would be CnH2n. Basically the alkane, hold up. Alkane basically you can just write Cn. For example, I just go with a 1, C1, 1, 2 plus 2, 4, CH4. CH4 would be methane, and it would be like as CH4. Okay. The whole carbon is now balanced. It has 4 electrons in its outer shell and 4 need to complete its shell. So now its shell is completed, whereas the hydrogen need 1 to complete its shell, and hydrogen got 1 as well. But for the alkene, we do have a double bond, carbon-carbon double bond in it. Like it is start with the H. H means ethene, so it would be double bond CC, and if we just go with the C2 and H2 and 2 into 2, 4, C2H4, so H would be like there. Okay, now it share 2 electron with it, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the carbon shell is complete, whereas the hydrogen shell is also completed. This is how we can just go with the formula and the structure formulas. Okay, the general formula and structure formula. Now, number third thing regarding the organic family about alkene and alkene, that they do only have hydrogen carbon. There is no or you can just no element as well. For example, no oxygen, no nitrogen, nothing at only carbon and hydrogen. Okay. Number third thing, there are some reaction as well. But before going to the reaction, okay, yes. For example, in alkane, we can also have a thing known as a isomers. Isomer basically the you can say about the same molecular formula. For example, in a CnH2n plus 2 there would be a, for example, I got number third one C3 would go with the H8. Now C3H8 do have a same molecular formula that it has with the isomer, but then it has a different structure formula. Okay, for example, if I just go with the C3H8 look like as C3 and 8 hydrogen. It is basically the alkane C3H8 known as the propane. Okay, but as far as it said to me that I need to go with it isomer. Isomer basically a different type of structure inside it. Although it do have a same molecular formula, but structure formula would be quite different. For example, if I just go with it C. Okay, now okay, H, for example, I go it, then C, then H, then H. But as far as I remember that it do apply on the from the starting fourth term, because in this when we are going for a branch, so we don't need to, you can say this carbon we don't touch on them, we just only go for the C that in the middle one. So if we just go with the middle one, so it do just destroy its shape as well. So it's better to start with the fourth one in order to look it more better. For the butane, we can apply it on the butane, like for example it is butane. So we just go with the C, another C. Now I shall complete it. Now C4 is done as well. Okay, everything is now arranged properly. Now, okay, now for reactions, we're gonna check it. Okay, I just confirm it, and it is basically the only isomers applied from the starting 4. Okay, not this. So it would be the isobutane. It would be isomer. So isomer name would be isobutane. Now for the reaction. Now we just come on the reactions. Now for reactions, we would have only one reaction with the alkanes. Okay. Basically, the alkanes are very unreactive. Yes. Except for combustion. In combustion, if we just go with a CH4 gas plus O2, yes, we do know only two products gonna be formed. One would be a carbon dioxide if it is a complete combustion, carbon dioxide, and it would another thing would be a water. Okay, for balancing 2 2 2 4 2. Okay, now quite balanced. Now this is a combustion reaction with the CH4 react with the O2, then it forms with the carbon dioxide and water. Now for basically, okay, I just forgot one thing. The alkane are also known as the saturated hydrocarbon because they do have a only one, you can say a bond, single bond or a double bond. While the alkene are unsaturated hydrocarbon, as they do have a carbon-carbon double bond in it. Now, for the reaction of the carbon-carbon double bond, that it do have the carbon-carbon double bond in it or not. Or in another word, we can say like, is either the alkene or the unsaturated hydrocarbons or not. So for that, we do have a test known as the bromination. Bromination is a test in which we just use the bromine water, and when the bromine water is basically a brownish color in it, and when it comes from the brown color to the colorless. So it means that the compound already has the carbon-carbon double bond in it. That's why the color changes from the brown to colorless. Now it was a bromination test for unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay. Now for the reaction with the alkenes reaction we do have a yes. Okay, I'm just erasing it. Okay, yeah. Hopefully it will be the last thing in the unit. And for alkene, for example, yes, ethene basically the C2H4. It reacts with the hydrogen in order to form, I guess, alkane. Yes, it forms alkane, which it would be C2H6. Okay, C2H6 is basically the ethane. Okay, and then ethene can react also with the water. C2H4 is basically the reaction of the alkenes. You can also take some another, for example, propene, butene, hexene, pentene. Okay, and water. What would be the reaction? Just its effect on the, you can just see it on carbon. For example, if you just go with a higher compound, so it do have a high number as well. Now, okay, another thing I just remember that alkenes are reactive as compared to the alkane because of this carbon-carbon double bond. Now for C2H4 plus H2O, it would be like, yes, ethanol would be formed. It would be a category of alcohol. So it would be C2H5OH. I guess so. Yes. And third reaction, probably the last reaction of the alkane, that if it would react with the, yes, for test of the bromination, C2H4 react with the bromine Br2, so it go with the CH2H4Br2. Yes, and basically this is a 1,2-dibromoethane, and ethane is formed because, for example, if we just go with it C4H, remember? Okay, and I just provide Br over there, H. It would be 1,2-dibromoethane. Di means 2 bromo, and 1,2 is a pollution. 1, 2. Okay. Now basically this is quite summary of the topic. What are the alkenes? Now we just go with the remember again. First general formula CnH2n plus 2 of alkane, then alkene CnH2n. Then they are saturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbons. It's the isomer starting from the fourth one, for example butane isomer, so it would be isobutane. And the reaction of the alkane only with the combustion reaction CH4 plus O2, then form the carbon dioxide and water. And for alkene we do have a 3 reaction with it, K2H4 plus H2, then it would be alkene is gonna be formed. Then if we just add with the water, so the alcohol would be formed, and if we just add with the bromination, so it would be a 1,2-dibromoethane if we just took ethene. Nice the total summary. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Inshallah, next video will be covering the another families of the organic chemistry, quite probably the alcohols and carboxylic acids. Till now, Allah Hafiz.